everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I just got my It's the Little Things package in the mail. It was delivered today, and I thought I would go through and show you everything that comes in the kits. It is available until the end of January, and this special is 6x6 paper packets. So you get these sheet, and I'll show you the front and back of both sides. The paper packets are the same for all three bundles. So these are the paper packets that you will get. There. I like this one, it looks like paint splatters. There's quite a bit of paper in here. I forgot to count to see how many sheets. Well, these ones are like little flowers. Get up closer so you can see them. And this one's pretty with the bows. This paper is also good to color in. There we go. Okay, and the next one, there's one, let me count them. Oh, one last. This one has little hearts and then little polka dots. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So you get 24 sheets of 6x6 double-sided paper that comes in. It's the same paper pack for the scrapbooking, card making, and the mini album workshop. And then in the scrapbooking workshop, you also get 4 sheets of stickers. That's sticker sheet 1. And then this is sticker sheet 2. And sticker sheet 3. And then this is the 4th sheet here. You also get a exclusive stamp set that is just for this special. There. And then you get your place card holders if you like to use those for your layouts, because there is a workshop that you can download for this kit. And then you get 2 sheets of black cardstock, 5, 6, 7, and 10 sheets of white daisy cardstock. And I'm going to put the white back so that you can see these paperboard pieces. This is also an exclusive paperboard set. I'm going to pop a few out so you can see. This one here says Shine Bright, and there's some flowers. The Good Life, Yay, Cool, Fun, Cute, and then some more flowers, some arrows pointing in different directions, some bows. Enjoy the Little Moments. There's a couple good titles in there. So that is the scrapbooking workshop. And we're just going to move the whole thing out of the way because I'm losing all my paper pieces trying to put it back in the bag. And then the next set I have for you is going to be the mini album kit. And again, that will be the same papers. There's an exclusive stamp set for this one. And then there's sticker sheets for the mini album. You get 4 sheets in that also. These little border stickers are cute. The butterflies, and then there's some more of those flowers that are on that black and white sheet of paper. And then more butterflies, a couple little sayings and quotes. More black and white flowers, and you can also color those in if you wanted to add more color to them. And then this one also has its own exclusive die cut sheet. And you're gonna get some page protectors. These are 6x6 page protectors. And then you get the placeholder cards. And then you also get a sheet of black and 5 sheets of white daisy cardstock. And then the chipboard pieces, paperboard pieces, they're thinner than chipboard. This one says, how cool, remember, more arrows and hearts. Oh, how about there? Let's try it this way so you can see. Fun time this day, so cute, smile, lovely, love this. More arrows and flowers and hearts. And there's some cute little stars up here in the corner. That one, so that is the mini album bundle. And then the next bundle is going to be the card making bundle. This one has some glitter paper in it. Feel that. So you get enough card bases and envelopes. I believe it makes 18 cards. 6, 7, 18 cards and envelopes, and then sticker sheets for the card making kit. So this one says, congrats, little sprout. And then, thinking of you, sweet thing. Let's weather it together. Congratulations. Happy. This little fox is cute here. And then you get some white little die cut punch out pieces. Then the paper pack. And then you get 2 pieces of black cardstock and a silver glitter sheet, and then I'm going to use the back of the silver glitter sheet to show you the paperboard cuts for this. There's a nice big card front that says happily ever after. That would make a nice shaker pocket. Now these are, you can even use on scrapbooking pages if you're not a big card maker. And then we get some acrylic shapes too in the card making one. Lay these out so you can see them all. There we go. And then there's also an exclusive stamp set with all kinds of sentiments on it for the card making kit. You can purchase these in the bundles for each special. You can purchase a product bundle that would get you all 3 kits. You can purchase each kit individually, or you can purchase items a la carte and pick and choose what you want. Again, this is called the Little Things, and it's on special through the end of January. If you would like to order this, you can go to my website, which is sharonpender.closetomyheart.com, and click on the promotions tab, and you should be able to get it there. And then if you have any questions, just please let me know. Thank you.